So where would you put all your money on? Like, would you put the money on the welfare of your people? Will you put it there, or will you invest
Yeah, for
somewhere, or will
welfare.
you make the infrastructure of the city better?
Yes, that is a good question, and I want to invest money to the soldiers, to the social workers, so that
Mhm.
if they are happy with my rule, then they can give their efforts at their best to protect
Hmm.
us, to maintain the society, to clean the society well. So I think I should make them happy always.
Hmm. Okay, that was fair enough. So you'll invest it on them,
Yeah,
on
obviously,
bettering
obviously.
their lives, so they will give
Yeah,
you better
so that
protection to your kingdom.
yeah, exactly, exactly. That is my.
Okay, nice, nice, nice king you are. I,
Hi.
hey, how are you, Indrajit?
Yes, I am well. I'm very well. And how are you?
I'm all right. Thank you. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been
Long
a long
time.
time.
Yeah. So, how did your exams go? How is life?
Yeah,
How's
actually,
everything going
I
on with you?
I was too busy
Mhm.
for giving exams and also attending online classes. Now my
Mhm.
semester is over right now, and I am going to enter next semester.
Oh, great. Okay, great. So you did well. How did your exams go? You did well. You scored good.
Yeah, yeah, they went well, and the results has been already published, and
Oh, first rank.
it is 9+ grade. Yeah, CGPA. I
Ah,
got CGPA 9 CGPA.
oh, wow. Great, great, great. So now where's my
Thank
treat? Yeah, where's my treat?
Yeah, it will be delivered soon.
Come on. All right, Indrajit. So, how's your journey with Clapingo, English journey? How is it going?
Yeah, yeah, they are. It is going really well, and I gain so
Mhm.
much confidence to speak uh, about any topic, and I can express myself right now in English, and
Mhm.
also I can clarify such people who are really afraid of speaking in English in front of public, and also my YouTube channel is going really well, so that is a great.
Yes. Okay. So it's like a sidekick, like a something you're going on. I mean,
Hmm.
like, having going on, isn't it? That's nice. Okay. So, how often do you post in your YouTube channel?
uh, I try to post 4 to 5 videos in a week.
Okay, that's great. Mm. Consistency is the key.
Yeah, I think so. And also, uh, I can add some values to the audience so that they can subscribe my YouTube channel. So
Yeah,
by
yeah.
with the help of this, my channel is increasing.
Improving. Yeah. Great. So today's topic, did you check out today's topic,
Yeah,
Indrajit?
I had checked.
And the topic is, if you were a king or a queen, do you want to be a king, Indrajit? Are you a king
No, no,
already?
no. It
Oh,
is
you're
I am
king to
a,
your YouTubers. I mean, your YouTube, your subscribers, right?
but I am a layman. Still, I am a layman. I want to get wider audience to my content,
You will, you will, you will. Yeah,
and
if you are having the drive, you will. Go on.
yeah. And if I were a king, then I want to be a good king, obviously,
Okay.
because I want to spread love, and also I want to look after prosperity in the villagers and also in the dwellers of town, and I
Dwellers,
want,
you mean dwellers?
yeah, dwellers,
Mhm.
and also I want to be happy, and I want to spread love, peace in my kingdom.
Mm. So, will you live an extravagant life? Will you drink tea from a gold cup and eat on a gold platter?
Actually, yeah, it is usually seemed that the king will drink tea or coffee in a golden cup, but but
Yeah.
I want to, truly speaking, that I want to focus the developments of the society, and
Mm.
I do take care of them, because
You want to
of them
focus on
I
the
yeah,
development.
I want to, and because of them I am king right now, by
Mm.
virtue of them, by virtue of
Mm.
their supports, their votes. So that's why I do take care of them.
Oh, it's quite similar to your channel as well. See, because of your subscribers, you are somewhere, yeah. So it's your responsibility to keep them entertained and keep
Exactly,
posting
yeah.
it.
And also right now, to gain more subscribers, to have such big responsibilities, you right now you cannot upload such uh, unhealthy topic or anything just for fun. It is really it will be harmful for the channel also. So
Yes,
you
yes.
have to keep in your mind right now. I have to
Yeah,
keep in my
so in your kingdom, you have to go by the liking of your subscribers, what they want to
yeah,
see, yeah?
exactly.
Right. So what kind of clothing will you choose? Will you be wearing, you know, animal skin, kind of leather? Oh,
No, no. Uh, I love animals, so I do not really kill the animals to wear the what is called fur.
I don't want to wear leather, you mean?
Yeah,
I don't want to wear
I don't
leather.
want to leather. I don't want to wear leather, and also such type of. I do not want to wear
Harm the
leather
animals.
footwear. Yeah,
Mm. You don't want to abuse the animals for clothing or for
exactly.
your
Yeah.
fun, for your
Or for
entertainment.
decoration, because
Exactly.
there are a lot of people who decorate their home with task and also with fur. So I really hate such things.
Yeah, and then hunting down wild animals for their skin, for their
Exactly. Yeah.
tiger for their skin. How reckless is that?
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
They are very
What
ruthless.
about your palace? How would the palace look like? Will it be made of diamonds and ruby, or it'll be like just a concrete palace,
Yeah.
like basic?
It is a common place to protect us, because after all, I am ruling this my kingdom, and also, so that's why my house should be protected by lot of soldiers. But it
Mhm.
is a normal palace, just normal palace. Not,
It will be a
I do
normal
not want to lead.
palace.
Yeah, it will be a normal palace, and I do not want to lead the lavish life.
Okay, right.
So
So where would you put all your money on? Like, would you put the money on the welfare of your people? Will you put it there, or will you invest
yeah, for
somewhere, or will
welfare.
you make the infrastructure of the city better?
Yes, that is a good question, and I want to invest money to the soldiers, to the social workers, so that
Mhm.
if they are happy with my rule, then they can give their efforts at their best to protect
Hmm.
us, to maintain the society, to clean the society well. So I think I should make them happy always.
Okay, that was fair enough. So you'll invest it on them,
Yeah,
on bettering
obviously.
their lives, so they will give
Yeah,
you better
so that
protection to your kingdom.
yeah, exactly. That is my
Okay, nice king you are. Okay, so
thanks,
what would
Akhila.
you do to pass the time? For time pass, what would you do? Would you have some dancers come over and dance for you or sing for
Yeah,
you, or what would you do?
I always love extracurriculum activities besides education. So
Mm-hmm.
I definitely support extracurriculum activities like singing, dancing,
Mm-hmm.
and acting, as well as there are a lot of sports I do support, and
Mm-hmm.
by which I want to entertain the my what I say, the
Well,
dwellers of
your
the town or villagers.
okay, yeah, and
And
the
it
dwellers
will,
in the
I think,
palace as well.
yeah, exactly. And I think that it is my dream right now to become such a king.
Oh wow, okay. Good luck with that.
This is really
So
nice topic.
yeah. What country will you rule, Indrajit? Like where would you rule? Like what city? Will you rule a city, or are you planning to rule a country, or are you just wanting to build a castle and then
Yeah,
just take care of
I
the
want
people
to
around you?
I want to make I want to build a community,
Mm-hmm.
then I want to rule them in a proper
Hmm.
guidance, in a proper way,
Hmm.
that every rich people get such advantage, get such thoughts, that
Hmm.
get such
Hmm.
privileges, and I want to share those privileges to the
Hmm.
villagers.
So, what will be the base of the community? Will it be like a religious base, or like a similar thought process kind of a base, something that you believe in, that kind of a community? Is it like a cult you're planning to, build?
Not so like not like that, but a simple community, but uh, it is the only faith we should believe, that we are human, and we want to become uh, we want to become the happiest human of the world. So
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Based on a belief where we want to be the happiest humans on this world, that kind
exactly,
of a
and
community.
to
That's
live in
good.
the dreamland, like this.
Mhm. Okay, that's very interesting. So, if you want to live the happiest on this earth, you come and join our community. Yeah, that kind of a deal
Exactly.
where people will be a small. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Interesting, very
I want to
interesting.
be peaceful king,
Yeah,
because I
yeah,
really do not like quarreling.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Interesting. Okay, will there be money in your community, or will it be barter system?
What is the better system?
Barter system is like you give. See, I give you a phone, you give me a camera, like that kind of a barter system.
Okay, okay, but yeah, I read it in the history.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
I think that nowadays we we want to use money.
Money. So you will use money. You work for
Mhm.
money.
Yeah.
It's a very nice topic, but you joined only 6 minutes late, so we don't have time now.
Okay.
Our session is about to end, but I want to tell you, Indrajit, you've come a long way. You've come a long way because I vividly remember our first session together, and this is after like 6 months, a good 6 months, I
Maybe
think.
6 months.
And you've come a long way, and you're talking better. Occasionally, you're failing to use some helping verbs and some will or was or something like that, but for the most part of it, you've come a long way, and you're doing good.
Thank you very
Mhm.
much.
Keep on
And
doing what you're doing. Yeah.
thank you very much. And finally, I meet with you. So actually,
Yeah.
when I see on the YouTube that
Yeah.
I want to make a conversation with you, so
Yeah.
I'm waiting right now. This is the correct time.
Ah. Yeah, I was also thinking like, where did you go? Indra just left. He forgot about me, I
Actually,
thought.
I no, no, no.